Thank you, Madam Speaker. It's very interesting that when Ofsted fails the council and the government intervenes, it's all about the previous administration. But when he's opening new housing commissioned under the previous mayor and my leadership, it's all about him and how great he did. It is interesting to note that it took a resident survey to inform the Labour mayor that housing was the main concern. Tower Hamlets residents fought against stock transfer that was introduced under a Labour administration, which began its systematic approach to privatising council homes. And today, Mayor Biggs exports families out of bed and breakfast only to push them into isolation and hardship out of the borough. It is your administration who sent a mother and her 8-year-old daughter fleeing domestic violence to a place so isolated that she was not in a state to access food. On the Monday she was sent against her wishes, she had a loaf of bread and a box of chicken and chips. She and her daughter lived on a loaf of bread and chicken and chips and water from Monday to Thursday, whilst the Labour administration celebrated that no families were in bed and breakfast, forgetting to safeguard families. It was only when she contacted me on the Thursday that I alerted the Director of Social Services. That is your housing record.
Thank you.